Hello Techies. As part of interview series, in this session we will learn what is the fallback topic in Copilot Studio. In Microsoft Copilot Studio, the fallback topic is a system-defined topic that acts as a safety net during a conversation. The fallback topic is triggered when the Copilot agent cannot understand the user's input or fails to match it with any existing topic due to low confidence in user's intent detection. Alright, now let me show you how the fallback mechanism works in Copilot Studio during a user interaction. Let me switch to the browser and then I'm going to navigate to copilotstudio.microsoft.com. On the left hand side, we're having navigation bar where we'll have agents. Let's click on the agents where we'll find all the agents which we have created. Now I'm going to select one of the agent, that is banking email service assistant. Let me click on that. There you can see inside my agent I'm having the menu such as overview, knowledge, tools, agents, topics and many more, right? Where we'll find this fallback topic inside my topics. Let's click on the topics. And there you can see we are having two kinds of topics. One is custom topic, another one is system topic. Now the fallback topic is available inside my system topics. Let me click on that. Now we will find fallback topic inside my system topics. Alright. Now to test my agent, I'm going to click on test your agent, and there you can see, hello, I'm a banking email service assistant. It's my pleasure to serve you. How can I help you? Now I'm going to give the user intent in such a way. Can you explain last year's tax compliance rules for the international vendor? This is my user intent or the question. Let me click on enter. There you can see when a user asks a question, the system first attempts to identify a matching topic based on the user intent. If a relevant topic is found, that specific topic is triggered and the conversation continues smoothly. However, if the system is unable to find the matching topic in such a way, there you can see I have given the user intent. Can you explain the last year tax compliance rules for the international vendors? Which means the user's intent is not clearly recognized by the agent. In that case, the fallback topic automatically activated. There you can see which it won't understand the user intent. In that case, the fallback topic has been initiated. At this time, the agent politely asks the user to rephrase their question to gain the better clarity. There you can see I got the response in such a way. I'm sorry, I'm not sure how to help with that. Can you try rephrasing? The system typically makes multiple attempts. For an example, if I'm going to give the same intent once again, the system typically makes multiple attempts, usually up to 2 times, to understand the user input more accurately. If the user intent is still not recognized after these attempts, the system then escalates the conversation. What does that mean? This agent is trying to understand 2 to 3 times. If still the attempts fails, the system then escalates to the conversation. Right now you can see I have done for 2 times. I'm going to do one more time. There you can see I got the escalating to representative is not correctly configured for the agent. Right? If the user intent is not recognized after these attempts, the system then escalates the conversation. This escalation can involve transforming the query to a human agent or triggering an alternative workflow such as Power Automate flow to ensure the user receives the required support. This approach ensures that even when the system does not initially understand the request, the user experience remains guided, responsive, and supportive. So, in summary, the fallback topic not only ensures the continuity in conversations, but also enhances user experience by providing structured handling of unrecognized inputs. Alright, I hope you understand what is fallback topic in Copilot Studio practically and theoretically as part of this tutorial.